not just a name or an institution, but it has shaped the lives of many young people. Youth are the pillars of the nation. The foundation of every country is education of its youth. Committed to the well-being of youth, Birdie was started in the year 1996 to cater the growing needs of young people to make them confident men and women in the society. The scope of Birdie is to make efforts towards the holistic development of youth in both Telugu-speaking states, especially the marginalized and disadvantaged youth of the society. Through animation programs, offered services to the marginalized and the poor towards their self-realization. It also reached out to the youth workers and educators, assisting them with various training programs to enhance the quality of their service to the world of youth. When we hear this name, we recall two words, dare and soar. That's what over the past 25 years it created ripples in the youth ministry. Birdie has a unique style of functioning. The team consists of Salesians, religious, lay staff who have aptitude to form the leaders for tomorrow, to carry out the mission of Don Bosco in helping the young people to choose better life. Bosco Institute of Research and Development for Youth was inaugurated on June 23, 1996 by Reverend Father Thomas Panikaram STB and Father Joe Arempur STB was the founder director of Birdie. He worked tremendously to take Birdie to the greater heights. Birdie has helped young people to discover their place in God's plan, their gifts, their community, and were called to transform world into the image and likeness of Christ.
I am extremely happy to participate in the Silver Jubilee celebrations of Birdie. Thinking of the beginning of Birdie, the person that comes to our mind is Father Benjamin Puthota. Under his leadership, we did a big research in Madras province where we studied 5,000 youth, their values, their attitudes, their problems, and semantic differences. In fact, it was his push that enabled us to start the first Salesian postgraduate course in India, the Social Work Department in Sacred Heart College, Tirupattur. Our idea and dream was to bring about a professional and scientific temper into our youth ministry. In fact, the Social Work Department of Sacred Heart College, Tirupattur celebrated the Ruby Jubilee, 40 years, a couple of years ago. It is the same inspiration that led us to name this center Birdie, Bosco Institute of Research and Development for Youth, with the motto Dare and Soar. The R&D department, Research and Development, was the focus of this center. Social audits, planning for youth ministry of an organized institution, action research for the young at risk, etc. Another significant focus of Birdie was the integration of mastery and mystery. What does mastery and mystery mean? Mastery stands for all the advancements, developments we have made in, let us say, sociological, psychological, management studies, now today digital ministry, all that would stand for mastery. What about mystery? Mystery stands for God, for spirituality, for person, and when you can integrate this, we get the best. And in fact, in Birdie, we used to reach out to religious fathers and sisters and groups. We used to reach out to corporate sector. Looking at youth ministry proper, we reached out to thousands of youth in Andhra Pradesh especially with the life skills programs, always integrating spirituality, call it to religion, call it to God, to reason, God and love. May Birdie now grow and reach out to many more youth. Let all our efforts be to lead them to shores beyond, eternal shores, the heavenly bliss. Give me souls and take away the rest. That's what we are here for. Thank you, congrats, and God bless you.
On this great event, as the Birdie celebrates its silver jubilee, we want to show forth Birdie as the Youth Animation Center has reached out to many young people across the world and across the country, known for its expertise in youth ministry, in spirituality, and various programs concerning youth. The Salesians reach out to many students, teachers, and many people by way of serving them, animating them, especially the young people. Most of them have placed very well and they are doing very well across the country. And as Birdie celebrates its silver jubilee, we Salesians are happy and contented the way the center is marching ahead in catering to the needs of young people. And we welcome all of you for the Silver Jubilee celebrations and make use of this animation center to save the souls of young people.
Don Bosco says that your young is sufficient reason for me to care for your welfare. Swami Vivekananda, the Indian philosopher, said that all powers are within you. You can do anything and everything. The Bosco Institute of Research and Development for the Youth, over the years, it has been serving the needs of the poor and young people. It has made a tremendous impact in the lives of the marginalized youth. As we celebrate the Silver Jubilee of Birdie, I take this opportunity to thank and appreciate all those youth animators and directors who worked in the past and those who are working at present. Let us follow in the footsteps of father and founder Don Bosco in saving the souls of the young.
Let the spirit of Birdie continue far and wide in spreading the joy, happiness among young people. Let Birdie soar to the greater heights and dare to reinvent itself to serve the needs of young people in bringing closer to God.